Welcome to Anji Maths channel. Now let us discuss some important very short answer questions from the chapter sets. Here I have taken a set of 6 questions. Carefully read the questions, try to understand them and figure out the answers. Meanwhile, pause the video and find the answers. If you are done with the answers, follow the video. I am going to the answers. Let us see what is the first one. A is equal to set of x such that x is a prime factor of 36. You know, what are factors of 36? 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 1 into 36. 4, 5, 6, 7, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 4 is 36, 3 12 is 36, 2 18 is 36, thereafter 36. See, this is the set of all the factors of 36. But whereas you are asked to write the prime factors, so that you can consider only prime factors 2, 3. And remaining all are these remaining 6 elements are composite numbers. This is neither prime nor composite. So for the set A, you can take only 2 elements. Those are 2 and 3. Implies what is its cardinal number? Number of elements in A is 2. This is your answer. So don't confuse between A and N of A. N of A is the cardinal number and A is the set. Next, if A is subset of B, find A minus B, A intersection B, A union B. Here you may be asked any one of these, but for the practice purpose, I have written 3 questions. So, no need to worry about them. Let us see what are their answers. Whenever you are given by such condition like A is subset of B, take 2 sets which are satisfying that conditions. Let me take A is as some 1, 2, 3, B is equal to, it is superset to A means take one more extra element, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. Clearly A is subset of B. Now let us find what is A minus B. A minus B means from the set A subtract set B, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. Take the difference of. How to get the difference of 2 sets means you have to eliminate the common elements from the first set, that is A. Now let us see what are the elements belongs to only A. There are no elements, which means A minus B is a null set. Why? A intersection B. What are the elements in common? Let me write what is A intersection B. A intersection B means common elements 1, 2, 3. So set of 1, 2, 3 is the A intersection B, and look at A intersection B is equal to A. All the elements in A intersection B are the elements of A. So A intersection B is nothing but A. A union B. The elements which are in A are B. So if you write all the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, which in turn becomes equal to the set B. So this is one of the important short answer question from the sets. Now let us go for the next concept, that is how to write roster form to set builder form. Some of these questions you may be asked for 1 mark or 2 marks also. Here concept is important. A is equal to set of 1, 1 by 4, 1 by 9, 1 by 16, 1 by 25. Let us imagine there is 1 in the denominator. If you carefully observe the denominators, all these are square numbers. All these are square numbers. So how to write a set builder form means you have to consider all the elements as x, such that these elements are in the form of 1 by n square, that is a form of square number, and 1 square to 5 square, that means 1 square to 5 square, n value is varying from 1 to 5. N belongs to n because starting with 1, and it lies in between, that is in between 0 and 6, otherwise from 1 to 5. So 1 less than or equal to n less than or equal to 5, which means it considers both these values also. So this is how you will write the set builder form of the given set A. Next, fourth one is number of proper subsets of A is equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 4. As you know, if your set contains 4 elements, it is its cardinal number is 4, n of A is equal to 4 means it contains total subsets of 2 power n. Here, as the cardinal number is 4, it contains 2 power 4, 16 subsets totally. But here you are asked to find proper subsets. Proper means you have to exclude that set, because every set is subset to itself. Other than that set, remaining are proper subsets. So from 2 power 4 minus 1, that is 16 minus 1, you will get 15 proper subsets. So for this one, answer is 15. Only subsets 16, proper subsets 1 less 15. Now let us go for the fifth one. Fifth one, I would like to write the answer straight away, making use of here itself, A minus B. A minus B means difference of two sets is taken as by eliminating the common elements I and U. What are the elements belongs to only A? Here, look at this EO. So that is the difference of A and B. The elements belongs to only A but not B. So the answer would be set of EO. For this one, answer is set of EO. Next, last one. Last one is, as you know, the relation between the cardinal numbers of two sets. That is, n of A is equal to 10, n of B is equal to 7, n of A union B 13, find n of A intersection B. From this, what you can observe, n of A, n of B are greater than n of A union B means they are having some common elements, they are having some intersection portion. So, you have one formula relating these sets, n of A union B plus n of A intersection B is equal to n of A plus n of B. n of A union B 13 plus n of A intersection B is equal to 10 plus 7. Look at this, 13 plus n of A intersection B is equal to 17, which means 13 plus 4 is equal to 17. Obviously, its value becomes 4. So, n of A intersection B is equal to 17 minus 13. Obviously, it is equal to 4. So, its value is 4. This is your required answer. So, these are the some of very short answer questions or short answer questions you may be asked from the chapter sets. I hope you understand. Thank you.